Unlocking the meaning of on the right path. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase, on the right path. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and look at some examples to clear up any confusion. On the right path is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that someone is proceeding in the correct direction or making choices that will lead to success or the achievement of their goals. It's often used as encouragement or to affirm that the choices made are leading towards a positive outcome. While the exact origin of the phrase is difficult to pinpoint, it's rooted in the metaphorical use of the word path to represent one's journey through life or towards a specific goal. This imagery is common in many languages and cultures, symbolizing progression, direction, and the journey towards an endpoint or achievement. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from academic achievement and personal development to career advancement and moral decisions. Here are a few examples. Encouragement. With all the hard work you've been putting into your studies, you're definitely on the right path to acing your exams. Affirmation. Choosing to invest in renewable energy sources shows that our company is on the right path towards sustainability. Advice. Listening to feedback and being willing to learn from it puts you on the right path to improvement. There are several variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning, such as on the right track or heading in the right direction. These can be used interchangeably, depending on the context or personal preference. Understanding and using the phrase on the right path can add depth to your English communication, allowing you to express support, encouragement, and affirmation effectively. Remember, the journey of learning English is also a path, and by continuing to expand your vocabulary and grasp of idiomatic expressions, you're definitely on the right path to mastery. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.